Good morning, guys. I just woke up and oh my goodness, it's Monday. So oh sorry, come join me on my day today. And I'm not planning to have like crazy day today, but maybe a lot of cleaning. Um, I'm going down to get to grab some tea. Then maybe I'm gonna read a little bit and yeah, usually that's what I start my day. um, I woke up like this, sorry. So okay, so I'm making chai tea, and my husband got this Paso Classic chai latte, and he got two actually. He got this Oregon chai, and we didn't use this yet, so what I'm gonna do is make half and half, like just not a lot, like yeah, but not a lot. And then what I do is mix with milk. I got milk here. I think this is 2% milk, and just put milk. And I don't know, I just love to use this Tea Havana Earl Grey cream. Sorry about the water heater is so loud. So I'll put this in a microwave and I'll be back. Okay, I'll pour water. Cleanup time. I'm gonna do cleanup. So I'm gonna separate the cans. So what I do every morning is sipping my tea in this area, and then I'm gonna read the book The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, just one chapter in the morning, and then I'll continue what I'm doing after that. So yeah. Okay, I'm done with one chapter and it's time to clean. So I'm gonna clean that white table. We don't have coffee table yet because we're still looking like what kind of coffee table we want. But I'm using the Mrs. Mayer Clean Day multi-surfaced everyday cleaner. So yeah. Okay, I have to stop cleaning first because it is 11 in the morning, and I will do lunch for my husband because his lunch break is like 11. to 11:30, so I have to make quick lunch for him, and I don't know what I got. So, well, I have marinated a chicken, but that's for dinner. Okay, so I'll make salad for him, and yeah, we're eating salad now, a lot of salad, but we make sure we include meat on the salad, so you know, we need protein, so let's do that. If you're looking for a good salad, I recommend the Taylor Farms because it's already have the sauce inside. Like, I'm not gonna use this today, but I'm gonna use the Caesar chop kit, and it's already have the sauce, you know, if you're in a hurry, and of course the chopped vegetables. So yeah, you just mix this, and then you can put either what is this, onions, fresh onions, or bell peppers. So it's up to you what kind of vegetables you want. And then I put salt and pepper on it so it has a taste, you know, it tastes good. And yeah, that's for our lunch. No, for my husband, I have a different lunch. So yeah, let's mix our salad. I'll put everything in. And then only half of this because we don't want saggy salad. So half of this. Even my husband doesn't like saggy salad. Only half. Then we can put the cheese. And then I like this one, croutons. Okay, I'm gonna heat up some jambalaya with sausage with white meat chicken and uncured ham, spicy. So I'm just gonna include this on his lunch. So salad, kalbasa, and this one, and then fruit. So. Okay, this is my husband's lunch today. Salad with kielbasa, and then mixed fruit, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberry, and then the jambalaya soup. So, okay, while I'm eating my lunch, I'm watching Netflix Somebody Feed Phil. I love this series. Okay, lunchtime. Okay, I am back, and I just finished. Well, I finished mopping the floor and cleaning my kitchen. So it's 5 already, and I'm gonna cook for dinner because usually we eat early, like 6 or 7, so we can watch our TV series later. So okay, so this is my chicken that I marinated last night with the spices. Like, it's up to you what kind of spices do you want, but for me, I just put like different spices. I have the garlic season, and then I put I put peppers, I put chili flakes, and then what is this, fish sauce, and I didn't put salt in it because I don't want salt. Okay, so here is my air fryer. I'm gonna turn it on, and then I'll put Max crisp. So I'll put 400. Why it doesn't go, but maybe air fry. Let's go. Air fry, and then I'll put 25 minutes. So I want to preheat, so I'm gonna start that, and then when it turns 20 minutes, then that's the time I will put my chicken on it. Okay, our air fry is already down to 20 minutes, and we're done preheating.
So I'll put now the chicken. So chicken, I already spray with oil spray, and then no, the surface I put oil spray, and then now I will put oil spray again on the top of the chicken. So I will put it in for 10 minutes, then I will flip it over. Oh gee, wait, I should have put the chicken skin down. Dang it. Okay, I will flip it over. Okay, skin is down, so I want my fried chicken to be crispy, so I will flip the skin after 10 minutes. Okay, so I have a bunch of mushrooms, and I don't know what to do with this, so I'm thinking about just saute it with garlic, onions, and bell peppers. And Asawa, do we have butter? We don't have butter, so I'm just gonna use olive oil. Oh no, what we have is let me check. So we have sunflower oil grapeseed. My husband said this is more healthier than olive oil, so I don't know which one is healthier. Let me know down, comment down below, guys. Okay, it is 10 minutes mark, and that's my chicken, and I will flip it over now. Okay, skin is up now, and I spray with of course the oil, and it is ready. And then after that we'll check the temperature. So oh, by the way, I only put 2 because this air fryer is not that big, and this chicken is huge, so yep. Okay, I put the onions. I put the onions first because my pan is so hot now. I don't want my garlic burn, so okay, I already put the garlic, and I turned down the heat because I'm using gas, and this is so powerful. Bell peppers is on. So bell peppers. So I'm just gonna mix it up, then that's it. Okay, I already put the mushrooms, and just mix. Okay, for spices, I'm planning to, this is the first time I'm cooking this mushroom, so I'm gonna put a little of soy sauce. This is a Filipino soy sauce, SCUFC, dark sauce, and maybe a little of lemon drops. This is a real lemon, squeezed lemon, just a little to make it what is this, acidity. And then of course peppers. I love peppers. And my husband got this let there be flavor for God, and he has a lot of different spices, and this one is garlic lovers. I love garlic lovers. And then we'll put peppers, red peppers, flakes, and then onions. And then maybe if it needs water, I'll put a little water, but I'll tell you later if I need to. Okay, our chicken, it says end, and I'll get a meat temperature. We'll check if it's cooked. But here it is. Oh my god, it looks so good. But let's check the temperature first. So this is our meat temperature. Let me, yeah, it looks cooked. Okay, 183 to 184. So 160 above for chicken is good, or even meat, pork or chicken, 160 above. So it's 183, 172. So it's yes, it's cooked. Our dinner is served. We got the jambalaya and the fried chicken and the mushrooms. Oh my god, guys, it's so good. It's so good. And that's the wrap up. And we're gonna eat our dinner, and then we're gonna watch the 100 Netflix. And yeah, thank you guys for joining me on my day. And maybe I'm gonna try to do more vlogs from now, but we'll see. We'll see. And thank you for watching. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Hello, guys.